Assalamu alaikum. In this lecture video, I will show you how you can calculate or how you can do the scenario analysis, right? So if you see our first video on what if analysis, you definitely learned about some theory of scenario analysis, right? But right now we will do how we can do it in Microsoft Excel. Say for example, you have 500 of product, I mean sell quantity, unit price, right? Price per unit 50 BDT or dollar. This is the fixed cost. You cannot change it, but this is the variable cost. Maybe you can change it, right? So how you can maximize your profit? Okay, so we will learn it now. So how is the profit? Equal the number of product into product price minus fixed cost minus the variable cost. Variable cost equal to the variable cost per unit into the total product. Oh, I'm sorry, variable cost per unit, right? So sell quantity per unit, it means this one. Okay, so variable cost. So in this way, actually, we can calculate the total profit. But the question is how we can maximize the profit, right? So you can use the scenario analysis or scenario manager. So once again, go to the data and go to the what if analysis and scenario manager. That's nice. Here you will find a dialog box. There is no scenario actually. Here you can add some scenario. For example, click add. There is no name. You can say for simplicity purpose, I'm just writing the S1. It means the scenario 1. By changing cell, right? So by changing cell, you can do it. We can change this one. Just press Control. We can change this value. The fixed cost we cannot change. And press Control. You can change this value. So already 3 value we can change. So I selected these 3 values. Please click here. To memorize or for future purpose, you can create some comments, right? It depends on you, but I'm not creating or making some comment. Okay, just click OK. Here, another dialog box will appear, which name is the scenario value. Already it takes the default values, right? But I would like to think in different ways. Say, for example, I will sell more product, 800 product. When I will sell more product, maybe I will reduce the price, I mean per unit, and maybe the variable cost will reduce. So I am just adding one scenario. So second scenario 2, by changing cell already selected. Okay. Right now, maybe think about you have very few products, for example, 400 products. And right now, as you have very few products, you can increase your price, or maybe many business person actually increase their price when the supply is not uh, available in the market. In that case, the variable cost may be 1 taka or 1 BTT on $1 increased. So at the second scenario, at the third scenario, here, say for example, I have some more product, not very much products. In say for example, I have 600 product. In that case, I reduced $2 price and the variable cost are same. So add. So I have already created 3 scenarios. You can create 4, 5, 6, 7 as per your own decision, your own style, or as per your own, how can I say, decision, or based on your business purpose or business problem, right? So right now, just click cancel. Here you will find scenario 1, scenario 2, scenario 3. So sometimes maybe you made some mistake in scenario. In that case, you can edit the scenario. Say for example, edit, right? So here you can edit the scenario. Say for example, here 850 products, right? So in this case, you can edit the scenario. Okay. Right now, it's time to see how we can maximize our product profit. Just click on summary. Here you will find scenario summary and scenario pivot table report, right? But please see here, I will calculate the scenario summary. Please see here, this cell automatically has been selected. But honestly speaking, I will delete this one and click here. Can you please see some difference? Previously, it was B5, but right now it is equal B5, and both are locked. I mean, both row and column, B column and fifth row, both are locked using the dollar sign, right? Just click the OK and see the magic. Okay, right? Okay, this is the magic of scenario analysis. How we can take the decision? So from scenario, this is the main value, right? So main profit is 17,000 something. But scenario 1 provides the maximum profit values, 26,000 plus. Okay, so how we can take the decision for our business? For example purpose, I can make some decision like this. See here, when there is a scarcity of product in the market, you increased the price of the product, but actually it's not wise, right? Because it doesn't give you the maximum profit. But somehow, if it's possible, just how can I say, if possible, right? I'm sorry, control. If possible, maximize your sale with the low cost. With the low cost, in that case, you can make more profit. So in some cases, we noticed that many business persons, especially in some developing country, when the supply is low, of the product, they increase their price. But honestly speaking, what scenario says that? The scenario says that the profit, you cannot make the maximum profit, right? Okay, so to enhance your business, you can do it. Somehow try to maximize your sale. So more sale equal to more profit, though you can sell the product with a low price, right? So in this way, you can take the business decision. Okay, so in the next lecture, I'll try to describe the data table, right? And practice with some other scenario, right? And if you practice some other scenario, just you can make comments, you can write some comments, some examples, so that the future learner or other learner may be beneficial, right? Beneficial from this lecture or tutorial. Okay.